We are Dundee Rep Theatre, and we are a building with a cafe, a restaurant, a very busy engaged department which do lots of outreach programmes, and also we have a full-time ensemble company which present and tour shows, and we also have a full-time dance company which present and tour shows, so it's very busy. We were looking at reducing our carbon footprint across the board in the organisation, and that includes the IT estate as well. One of the biggest users of energy is our print estate, which used to be laser copiers. So the main usage of our printers is for printing high volume items such as scripts, and also production paperwork such as lighting plans, and for the restaurant, temporary menu cards and daily specials, as well as general everyday office printing. So we did a lot of research to find a solution to the energy issue that we have with laser devices, and we landed on Epson because there didn't seem to be any other competitors on the market which offered the same pretty revolutionary drop in consumption. So Carbon explained all the solutions on the market that were open to us which would fit our needs, and they also provided us with reports which detailed everything we needed to know really about Epson's offering.
So what we did was we engaged with Dundee Rep last year. We wanted to look at what they'd been printing, how much they'd been printing, the legacy laser devices. What we look at is more sustainable ways for people to produce their print using new technology. They were keen on looking at different options on how they could reduce their carbon footprint, how they could reduce their energy, and we looked at doing some feasibility studies and some optimization around how much they were printing, how much energy they were using while they were printing, what volumes were going through the devices and what they were really using them for. This all culminated in an optimization report.
So from the report which Carbon provided with us, we were looking at about an 80% of reductions across the entire print estate. Really, we chose the printers because they have an obvious benefit of saving electricity. We also chose them because they were like for like just as good as a laser printer, but without all of the heat and all of the noise that comes with that as well. We also really like the fact that the ink is got a very small footprint. When it comes in, we don't need a lot of space to store it, and it's very easy to dispose of. And indirectly as well, we have noticed that there's a lot less noise in the office spaces where the printers are installed.